Welcome to Britescape, where our teams of lighting and garden experts help you transform and maintain the feel and function of your outdoor living space. We partner with you to understand your unique goals and develop personalized plans that ensure you'll enjoy your space for years to come. We specialize in three main areas: fine gardening, outdoor lighting, and holiday lighting. Our lighting experts focus on design, installation, and are on the cutting edge of the newest technology. Low-voltage lighting systems can transform any property from dark shadows to a warm and inviting outdoor living space. Our customers all agree they'd wish they'd installed new lighting years before. The difference is that amazing. There's nothing more exciting and special than after the sun goes down, seeing your property come to life again. We like to think of gardening as a full-time adventure. Our gardening teams are made up of certified horticulturalists who are exceptional at what they do, making sure your plants, soil, and all living organisms get the attention and care they need to thrive during all seasons. Set up a consultation with our garden consultants to see if we're a good fit for your property. When the holidays arrive, we're ready to give you that sparkle you always wanted. Our full-service teams will make sure your LED holiday display is exactly what you're looking for. We will help you with design, installation, and takedown. No more climbing ladders. That's our job. Education is the center of what we do in order to provide the best possible service for you. Our process is simple. You are at the center of our work. We'd love to talk to you. Fill out the online contact form or give us a call to see what we can do together. Welcome to Britescape. See your home in a beautiful light.